Now I am going to show you how to change the automatic separation of parts. Uh, for example, dimension of automatic separation of parts. Regeneration. Now it's a common cut. I'll just go without common cut. You can see there will be a gap of. You should check this way. There is a gap of 4 mm present here. Okay, this setting you can check here. Go here, go for automatic nesting and general. Here there is a 4 mm. You can just go with anything, maybe 10 mm. Give apply. Okay, then just drag the part and just place it over. Check for your gap will be 10 mm. From here to here it's 9.10 mm. In the same way, this applies for all this nesting, all the parts. You can see here 10, 10, 10. If you can't reduce it after complete nesting. If you nest completely, after that you can't reduce it. Only you have to select the option at the first itself when clicking the first and second part, and just check whether your gap is enough or whether you want it to increase or decrease. You can go with here automatic nesting general. Just go apply. Now it will be not changed. I have to click the parts again.